Hey y'all, Sam here. It's time to unbox the April Boxy Charm Base Box. The Boxy Charm Base Box is only $25 and you get 5 full-size products in the box each month. Sometimes there's deluxe size samples, but most of the time it's full-size products. So let's see what we got for April. All right, opening the box, we do have a card this month, and it says it is Festival Vibes, and it actually does tell us a little bit about our products as well as the cost of them. So it's great. I can actually tell you how much this stuff cost. A couple months ago, we didn't get one. We got it like digitally sent to us. I think they forgot, but anyway. So the first item we're going to start with is my choice item. So my choice item this month was this ELEMIS-Superfood Cica Calm Hydrating Juice. This product retails for $48. ELEMIS states on their website that this is a prebiotic hydrating gel, and it's going to drench our skin with hydration. That is what we always want. The more hydrated your skin looks, the better your skin looks, and the younger you look. So hydration, definitely, we all want. They also said that this contains 75% organic aloe vera juice as well as a cucumber extract. Everyone knows cucumbers are good for depuffing the skin as well as adding extra moisture. This is vegan friendly, 100% silicone free, and paraben free. Let's go ahead and test out a little bit on my hand. So that is what it looks like. It's a gel, but it's also a little bit runny. Gonna rub her in here. The scent of this is super fresh. I'm picking up hints of cucumber, maybe a little bit of citrus, maybe kiwi. I'm gonna have to look on their website because it does smell a little bit like that. It's got a really nice, soft, very mild scent, but very fresh. So here is the hand that I didn't hydrate, and this is the hand that I did hydrate. Definitely feels really good. Slightly tacky a little bit, not bad. If you've ever worn aloe vera before, you know it has a slight tackiness to it. So I'm interested to see as it like sinks into my skin if that tackiness will go away. Very, very excited about this. Of course, this product being $48 is already $23 over the price of the box that I paid for. So Boxy Charm, it's looking good this month. All right, so the second item I received in my box this month is the POREfessional's Pore Minimizer. And everyone was getting this in their box, whether they got the regular one or the hydrating one. I got the regular one. This is a really good primer. I've actually purchased this a couple times on my own. It is oil-free. You just rub it in with your hands. It contains vitamin E derivatives known to protect the skin from free radicals. I'm not going to open this one just because I already have another one open that I actually used this morning. It's a great primer. This primer retails for $32. All right, next item I got are the 5 brush set from LAVISH, and these are the neon eye brushes. I actually like this little envelope that it's in. It feels really nice. So here are all the brushes. The blue brush is your shader brush. Your yellow brush is your eyeliner brush. The pink one is just a blending brush. This one I think I'll probably use the most. And then the orange brush is your pencil brush. This is good for like your brow, inner corner, highlight. You know, you can also use it to smoke out a smoky look. And then the green one is your eyebrow pencil, and it does have a spoolie on the bottom. So this set retails for $29.99, which at first I'm like, they're nice, but they don't feel like they're worth $30. If you break that down though, that's only $6 per brush. And I feel like it's super easy to spend $6 on one eyeshadow brush. So not a bad deal. I will definitely get some use out of these, and kind of glad I got them. At Walmart, and I just found these, and these are pretty much the same set that we got in our Boxy Charm bag. And check out the price, y'all. These are only $10, and you actually get like the purple one's slightly different because it's rubber, but that's an extra piece because we only got 5. Huh. Just thought that was really interesting, and that I would share that with you guys. If you didn't get the box and you want these brushes, you can get them at Walmart. The next item we got is from Iconic London. This is a very expensive brand. This is their Illuminator, and this retails for $41. $41? That's pretty expensive for this little tiny highlighter, but let's go ahead and try it out. It looks very gold. I'm just gonna put a drop on my hand. And we'll rub her out. Okay, she is definitely very, very luminous. A little bit will go a long way with this product. It feels slightly oily. That makes me a little bit nervous. But we're going to go ahead and just put some on top of my foundation and see if it takes off my foundation. This would probably be better to do with a beauty blender because I'm getting some streaking here. It's definitely illuminating. And it seems to blend in okay. Put a little bit on the tip of my nose. Yeah, it's definitely illuminating. It's very pretty. The only thing is, because it is so metallic, I do feel like it's accentuating my lines on my skin a little bit more. I'm just curious if the camera is going to pick up my skin texture where that illuminator is versus this hand. Oh, by the way, this isn't tacky anymore. So the LMS juice does absorb in, and then it's not tacky anymore once it fully absorbs. Good to know. All right, so we're down to our last item, and we have the makeup eraser. I've never received one of these. I'm super excited to try it out though. And this is what she looks like. And pattern's called Sunset. I get it, kind of looks like a sunset. You're supposed to be able to just wet this and not have to use any micellar water or cleanser to remove your makeup. Really excited to try that. So the pamphlet says to use this side, the shorter side, to do your erasing, and then the fluffier side you can use to exfoliate. And it says you can just throw this right in your washing machine. I love that it doesn't have to have extra instructions or special care to washing this. Okay, so these are all of the items that I received in my April box. Overall, I'm actually very pleased with my box this month, which is kind of surprising considering there's absolutely no makeup in this, except for this highlighter. I mean, I probably won't actually use this as a normal highlighter just because it's a little oily. It makes me a little nervous. But you can mix it into your foundation or put it on your décolletage, your legs, your arms, whatever you want to put it on to give some highlight during the summer. For my $25, I received $172.99 worth of products. Wow. I think Boxy Charm really did a great job this month. I'm very happy with my value. I'm interested to hear if anyone else got any makeup in their box. I feel like Boxy Charm used to always put a palette in the box. And I guess now that we have a little bit more choice, I probably might have had an option for a palette. I don't remember, but I picked the LMS, so that's what I picked. But I do kind of miss them always including some kind of palette in the box. Well, you guys leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. It also greatly helps my channel. And until next time, bye y'all.